Hey guys, Chris here with Adirondack Bush Boys, and today we are camping. We're going to be doing a lot of cooking. We're going to be setting up some new gear, and as well as we're going to go down and try to catch some bass and some lake trout. So stick around guys, it's going to be fun. So today I'm working with GearTop. It's like a polyester tarp that I bought. It's fire retardant and everything. I'm going to be setting it up on the back of the truck. I'm going to have the tent under it, going to have some tables and stuff, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. These poles just all clip together, and then you have this little button here you push, and you can set your depth of how tall you want it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 little sections you can do. It comes with its own paracord as well. So I bought this for 95 bucks off from Amazon. Comes with the paracord, the tie downs for it, and as well as the pole. And it's a 16 by 19 foot tarp. Also comes with its own tent stakes.
We're putting these suction cups to the top, to the window, so the eye hooks can hook it down.
There, got that part all set up. It's kind of just like an extra blocker for like rain, some shade. I think it's pretty cool. Got a snake over here trying to eat a toad. That is just crazy. That's a little tiny snake to be eating a toad.
That's a what? So this must be butt cheeks.
There we go, one blow up mattress. You guys are both gonna fit right on there?
Yeah, right.
Alright, Mama's gonna set up her bathroom because she needs privacy, and that way she ain't gonna walk out in the woods. So we bought this cool little portable bathroom pop-up. It comes with a bucket and everything, waste bags, toilet paper holder, the whole 9 yards. Easy setup. Well, I said it was easy. There.
And then after was like,
Oh.
Even I can fit in there. Oh God. Here's the little toilet. That just goes straight down in there. There, and you just lift the toilet seat.
I gotta put a bag in it. Here's this.
Let's see how this
Yeah,
goes.
that's good.
Got a little toilet handle. Right there. Pee-pee. Ta-da! Oh, we gotta put a bag in it. There. She's happy. She's smiling right away. She's in love with the thing.
Without any
You want to
other
get them
body
batteries
besides
out, babe?
this
That'll be
one
fine.
Right here. I said any other
Windows.
walls.
Windows.
No, I hate it.
Now it's time to get that tent set up because we're gonna need something to sleep in. Kids seem to want to cuddle up on that mattress tonight instead of sleeping in hammocks. Not sure why, but hey,
I think the mattress is more comfortable.
it's okay.
Yeah,
You two trying to fit on a twin mattress
can
is
we try it?
probably not gonna be that comfortable. No, not right now. I gotta get it finished set up. You might have to sweep this after. Yeah, we were in a hurry last time. We kind of just left garbage in there. Okay. Here's number 2. Let's see how well this one works. It's a full 13-inch height, so I think it should hold this. I don't know. Holly's kind of a big girl.
Like regular marshmallows all big. Right.
Oh, we forgot that water. That whole gallon.
I felt
Still got at least 2. There's that. Well, our poor frog. He's trying his darndest. Yep, go ahead and throw them right in there. Alright, we got a little bit of ragu going in here and cheddar cheese sauce. That'll be good. Here we have it. Italian sausage on potato bun, noodles with ragu cheese sauce. Can't go wrong with us. Delicious. What do you think of the food, babe?
Delicious, babe.
1 out of 10.
10.
There you have it. I guess I cooked good. All right, guys, we're gonna walk down to the lake, try out a little bit of fishing. Guys, there's a lot of activity out here today, so I'm not quite sure how the fishing's gonna end up. So we'll come back down later and give it a shot more towards dusk. I don't know, maybe something can happen then. I'm thinking something will, because the water will be cooler, the sun will be down, and probably less people here. So, but if you want to, we can come back down here around dusk. We'll try it out when there's less people, less action in the water. They're more than likely staying deep because of all the action plus the temperature outside. So you all okay with that?
Yep.
Watch right here.
Oh yeah.
I go like deep, but I'm like scared.
You want to walk down farther? Yeah, we're just gonna walk down this trail and see what's down here. There's a big old beaver swamp. It's got a blue heron out there, but you guys aren't gonna be able to see that. It's too far out. Yeah, it looks like there's a bunch of cattails here. We're not gonna be able to see over these. Looks like it's all the way up through there. Little map of the whole park. Hey, what's up, Scott?
Good,
bud. How are you?
I'm hanging in there.
Good luck with the fishing.
Yeah,
There's way too many people down there right now.
Is there?
Especially on this side, yeah.
We've been slamming them, dude.
Yeah, I was catching bass last weekend, but
Caught a 2.5 pound smallmouth last night. Little dude there, our buddies, he was 8 years old. He caught a sunny, hooked it on the top, threw it back out, almost landed a 2-pounder.
oh, no kidding.
Yeah, we've been doing pretty good here.
Yeah.
We've been here since Thursday.
Oh, really?
Just hammer down.
Yeah, I went last week, and I went on the day it was raining, and it was horrible at first, but then we went and had some dinner, and I came back after that just myself, and that's when I started hammering the bass.
Yeah.
But there was nobody out there. Right now, there's just so many people on that lake right now, on this side especially, swimming, kayaking.
By that log, man, that's mine.
That's where I was.
Good to see you,
Yeah,
man.
likewise, bud. Good luck. It's funny the people that you can run into around here that you actually know. Back at home just to relax a little bit, pick our feet up, just chill.
Catching us on.
Get to the chopper, they're gonna kill you. Ow!
Hey, there you go. Look at that. You got yourself a fan.
So, we are gonna make chocolate lava cakes over the campfire. Let's see how it works. Never done it before, gonna try it. This is exactly 2/3 cups of oil. The only thing that I forgot was the eggs. So, it's a bummer because I really wanted to try this and make it turn out right, but what are you gonna do? You always forget stuff when you go camping. What, babe?
I was asking if I could mix it.
Here. I need that 3 tablespoons of water.
Which we don't have tablespoons. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
So what I'm doing is I'm going to fill this full of water. I got a little grate that's going to sitting here. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put aluminum foil on the top. And then bake it at 375 degrees over the campfire. Tootsie Rolls. Now we're going to put some of this Hershey syrup on it. Well, it's milk chocolate Hershey. It's
Icing.
icing. Here you go, you can lick the spoon. So, here we have it. And let's see how it turns out. She's gonna fill this up with water. All right, we're gonna see how this works out. Alright, I guess it's time to cut up these potatoes, onions. Here's a reveal. Ooh.
Well, you can't use your hands.
Well, that looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Oh, that smells delicious. I think we might be all right. We'll let you know in a little while. Let's get these potatoes on here. Got some boneless stew beef. Should be just fine. Oh yeah, those are looking good. Oh yeah. Steak and onions going inside a wrap.
You don't have bacon, egg, and cheese, you know? Have a little potato on mine.
Yeah.
Don't. I should get back to that.
He's on it.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of.
Like one.
There we have it. Steak and onions in a burrito with onions and potatoes fried over the campfire. Can't forget to add that cheese. That looks delicious. That looks pretty good. Tastes really good. That's good. Like it?
Yeah.
Well, we're not eating that healthy, so might as well enjoy a Coca-Cola. You enjoying the peace and quiet? We had no luck. No. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Homie. I see your bathroom's well lit up. Oh yeah. Things look so much better at nighttime. All right, let's see how this brownie looks. Who wants first?
Me. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, came out pretty good. What do you think?
Just tastes like a normal brownie.
It tastes
Just
good
more.
though?
Yeah, it tastes good still, but it just tastes more. I don't know. Just tastes more chocolatey, I would say.
More chocolate? Oh, that's good.
It's like a domino lava cake.
Good? All right. Let's taste this brownie.
I promise you it's really good.
Yeah? It's gotta be good because I cooked it. Yeah. It is good. It's very good. So it's basically crisp in the outside, while the inside at a high temperature keeps the inside gooey.
You shot me in the eye earlier. Shush.
I'll shoot you in both the eyes.
You guys having fun over there?
No. She is. No shush.
Who wants to tell some spooky stories? Which one of you guys got a spooky story? Nobody's got spooky stories?
How about you?
Ben got one.
And I spent it down by the lake in the dark.
3 minutes ago, my dad told me to tell a spooky scary. I was shivering in my boots. Well, the most scariest part was I wasn't wearing boots.
What were you wearing?
Nothing.
No shoes at all?
Nope.
So would they call you Bigfoot?
No. I don't know what they called me. Because they never called me anything.
They called you.
And
They called you the man that haunted the lake.
gulp.
He would
I
eat.
wasn't wearing
He would
shoes?
eat raw fish. down by the lake in the middle of the night.
I'd make Lily eat raw fish.
I'm not a very good campfire story type of guy.
I thought Lily was bad at sharing stories.
You tell funny stories.
Yeah, maybe once in a while.
Oh, put a little bite, bite. Ka-choo, 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 ka-choo. Ka-choo, ka-choo. Block. Ka-choo, 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 ka-choo.
You nice and toasty?
I am. I love this.
Yeah. This is nice. Alright guys. We're getting snuggled in. That's a wrap for us tonight. It's about 11 o'clock at night and we're just gonna chill and watch a movie.
Please.
Breakfast is leftovers. Ready. Have several. Here you go, bud.
I'm never sleeping with Lily on the same mattress again.
Oh yeah? That's good. How'd you sleep? Yeah?
Yeah, because she took up the whole bed. I had to push her away from me so I had room.
Yeah? The hammock was definitely available. No sense of dirty in dishes. Well guys, we got breakfast in us and unfortunately now it's time to clean up, get out of Dodge. Get up, a good time. Alright guys, that's it for us this weekend. If you guys like this kind of content, just hit that like and subscribe button. I put out videos every Monday. Alright guys, you take care. Have a good day.